Starting a business can be exciting, yet challenging journey. Everyone thinking that how to start a business. Here is the video teach you the step-by-step process to start a business. There are 7 best tips you learn before start the business. Step 1. Choosing the right business idea. Choose a business based on your skills, interest, and market demand. Do research on your idea before you start. Identify your target audience and competitors. Step 2. Make a business plan. Develop a financial plan, cost, price. Plan your marketing and sales strategy. Plan how you will find customers. Step 3. Build your brand. Make a logo and unique business name. Set up your social media profiles and marketing campaigns. Step 4. Prepare your product or service. Make sure your product or service is ready to sell. Set a price that covers your costs and makes a profit. Step 5. Market your business. Advertise online using social media and a website. Offer discounts or promotions to attract customers. Step 6. Start selling. Officially launch with a strong market push. Start selling your products or service. Ask customers for feedback and improve your business. Step 7. Grow your business. Watch your sales and improve. Track sales and performance. Find new ways to get more customers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing business content.